Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is fish korma with easily available ingredients. Let me show you the ingredients first. Half kg fish, washed and cleaned it properly. 10 to 15 cloves of garlic which I have grated. 1/4 cup of cashew nut. 3 medium size of onion fried. Oil for cooking. Salt to taste, red chili powder, garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1/2 teaspoon of jeera powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, turmeric powder, and some whole masalas, elaichi, cloves or long, and 2 to 3 sticks of cinnamon. Let's start cooking. Now in the fish add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and mix this well. After mixing well, keep this aside for 5 minutes. Till fish gets marinated, let's make the paste with fried onions and cashew nut. Add the fried onions and cashew nuts. Add little water and make it into a paste. The paste is ready. Now let's start cooking. Switch on the flame. Add 4 tablespoons of oil. When oil gets heated, add grated garlic cloves. Cook it for a while. Then add the whole garam masala. Cook it for a minute. Now add red chili powder, garam masala powder, dhania powder and jeera powder and turmeric. Mix these well. After mixing well, add the grinded paste and cook till it leaves the oil. Add salt to taste and cook it well. Till the masala get cooked, let's fry the fish. Okay, so here I have taken a tawa. In this I have added the oil. Let's it get heated. I have fried all the fish pieces. You can see. Now let's see the masala. Even it cooked well and left the oil. Now in this add 1/2 glass of water and cook it for a 1 boil. Let's see the masala. It cooked well. Now in this add the fried fish pieces. Add all one by one. Add chopped coriander, mint leaves. Close the lid and cook it for a few minutes. Let's see. has cooked well, switch off the flame. Switch off the flame and serve it in a bowl. I have served in a bowl. You can see the tasty fish korma is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Never Tasted Before. Click the bell icon